Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan smoothies at home. First, gather your main ingredients. Always opt for ripe fruits and vegetables to ensure natural sweetness and vibrant flavor. Next, pick a liquid base. Unsweetened almond milk, oat milk, or even just water work perfectly. Finally, incorporate a protein source like a tablespoon of almond butter or a handful of chia seeds for sustained energy. To achieve that perfect creamy texture, consider adding healthy fats such as 1/4 of an avocado or a tablespoon of flax seeds. For an extra flavor kick, a pinch of cinnamon or a small piece of fresh ginger can make a big difference. If you desire more sweetness, blend in a couple of pitted dates or a teaspoon of maple syrup instead of refined sugars. Now, let's talk about customization. Boost your smoothie's nutritional value by incorporating superfoods like a teaspoon of spirulina or maca powder. Don't be afraid to add a handful of leafy greens, such as spinach or kale. They blend in seamlessly and provide essential vitamins without overpowering the taste. The key is to experiment and find your favorite fruit and vegetable combinations. For the best results, always use frozen fruit. It eliminates the need for ice and creates a wonderfully thick, cold smoothie. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours to maintain freshness and nutrient content. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can help bring your space to life with music and smart home control, along with other great deals. Enjoy creating your perfect vegan smoothie at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.